This video is a tutorial for the photo stripe book technique. This technique is one of the most straightforward book art techniques. For it, you will only need glue, a pair of scissors, and the printed out pages with the stripes, and of course, a book. There are two methods in which you can use your book. In the first method, you fold every leaf of your book to the same depth. This method's recommended for thin or medium books. The depth of the folds is arbitrary, but a rule of thumb is that the deeper you fold, the wider your book becomes. However, there is more to the rule, so you may need to experiment a bit with it if it doesn't work for you. I folded the leaves quite deep as my book was quite thin, only 224 pages. Once all leaves are folded, glue the stripes so they cover the obtained creases. You need to glue them on the visible side of the folds. Above and below every stripe, there is a number which indicates the page number to help you with following the progress. There is only every second number, since there are always 2 pages on every leaf, and naturally you attach a stripe only on one side of a sheet. It might be more convenient for you if you change the order of the last 2 steps. Glue the stripes to the leaves first, and then fold the leaves together with the stripes. You just need to know where to glue the stripes, as there won't be a crease to help you know where to glue them. You can apply marks on the top and bottom edge of your book to serve as a reference. The stripes don't need to be glued exactly in the center of the marks or the creases. They just need to be stuck so they cover the creases. After applying these steps to every sheet of your book art is ready. In the second method, you do not do anything with your book. You just glue the stripes directly onto the edge of the leaf from the foredge side. In the final result, the book will gain some width as you add some additional material. However, depending on the thickness of the paper you use for the stripes, this may not be enough. Thus, this method is better suited for thick books. There is one more variation to these methods. Namely, for some patterns, you may want to obtain a 3D effect of some part of a pattern. In my next video, I will show you how to do that. Please subscribe to my channel to not miss it. Mark, glue, fold, and enjoy your book with NailYt.